Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Select the correct answer. If terms, arithmetic sequence, arithmetic mean, first term, and then the last term. Let us recall what you have learned. It is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. Correct. The answer is arithmetic sequence. Each number in the sequence. Any idea? What is the answer? Correct. Terms. The terms between two given terms of an arithmetic sequence. What is the answer? Correct. Arithmetic mean. It denotes as the last term. Correct. That is A sub n. And the first term that is equal to A sub 1. Let us solve the missing term of the arithmetic sequence. Solve the missing term of the arithmetic sequence in the given 2 and then blank, and then the last term is equal to negative 8. We need to use the formula A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So first term is 2, last term is negative 8, and the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We need to replace all the values so that becomes this one. So subtract 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. Bring down negative 8, bring down positive 2, so that is 5d. Next, combine like terms, so negative 8, change the sign of positive 2, that becomes negative 2, and bring down 5d. Negative 8 and negative 2 add, and then copy the big sign, so that becomes negative 10. To solve for d, divide both sides with 5, so d is equal to negative 2. Let us solve the missing term of this arithmetic sequence if the common difference is equal to negative 2. So that becomes 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, minus 2, that is negative 2, minus 2, that is equal to negative 4, minus 2, that is equal to negative 6. How about number 2? If this is the equation, again, this is the formula A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. The first term is 6, the last term is 12. But the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4. So replace all the values so that becomes last term is 12, first term is 6, and is 4 minus 1. Subtract 4 minus 1, that becomes 3d. Copy 12, copy positive 6. Combine like terms, so that becomes 12, bring down, change the sign of 6, that is negative 6, bring down 3d. So 12 minus 6 is 6 equals 3d. To solve for d, divide both sides with positive 3. So d is equal to positive 2. So let us solve the missing term. So it means, 6 subtracted by 2, that becomes positive 4, or 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, and then 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. Question number 3. As you can see, the first term is 8, and then the last term is equal to negative 4, and the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let us replace all the values, so that becomes the last term is negative 4, the first term is 8, the number of terms is 5 minus 1. Subtract 5 minus 1, that becomes 40. The rest, copy negative 4, copy positive 8. Combine like terms, so that becomes negative 4. Change the sign of positive 8, that becomes negative 8. Bring down 40. Negative 4, negative 8, and then add, copy the big sign because we have the same sign. So negative 12 equals 4D. Solve for D, so divide both sides with positive 4, so D is equal to negative 3. So if we get the first term, so that we mean we need to add. So 8 plus 3, that becomes 11. Or 11 minus 3 is 8. Again, the common difference, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. Okay, next. As you can see in the given, the first term is 4, the last term is negative 4. The number of terms is 1, 2, 3. We need to replace all the values, so that becomes the last term is negative 4, the first term is 4, the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, so that is 3 minus 1. Subtract, 3 minus 1 is 2D. The rest, copy. And then combine like terms, so that becomes negative 4. Change the sign of positive 4, that is negative 4. Bring down 2D. We need to add because we have the same sign. So negative 4 and negative 4 is negative 8 equals 2D. To solve for D, divide both sides with 2. So D is equal to negative 4, or negative 4 equals D. So let us solve the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth term. So that could be mean as 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. How about before 4? So 4, we need to add 4, so that is 8. Add 4, that becomes 12. Add 4, that is equal to 16. So if we subtract from left to right, the common difference is negative 4. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 4, that is equal to negative 4. Let us practice what you have learned. Give the missing term of the sequence. If the first term is 3 and the third term is 11, I give you 15 seconds. Go. Okay, time's up. The missing term is equal to 7, 15, and 19. Because the common difference is equal to 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 4 11, plus 4 15, plus 4 is equal to 19. How about number 2? The first term is 5, the last term is equal to 20. Let us see. I give you 15 seconds. Go. Okay, time's up. The answer is equal to, correct. The answer is equal to 0, 10, and 15. Because the common difference is equal to 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Plus 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Question number 3. The first term is 8. The last term is equal to 14. I give you 15 seconds. Go. Okay, time's up. The answer is correct. The answer is 2, 5, and 11. Because the common difference from first up to the last term, that is equal to 3. How about number 4? The first term is equal to 3 and then the last term is equal to 15. Go. Okay, time's up. The answer is 6, 9, and 12. How to get 6, 9, and 12? So the common difference is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 9, plus 3 12, plus 3 is equal to 15. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.